Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to send disappearing photos on Instagram. So I will be showing you at least two ways here on how to send disappearing photos on Instagram. So first you have to launch your Instagram and log into your account. Make sure that you're using the latest version. In order to send a photo, just tap on the conversation or Instagram Messenger. Click that specific conversation here. Once you're on your conversation, what you're going to do next is you have to look for the album or picture icon below in order for you to import or add pictures from your album or gallery. So tap this one right here. It will take you to your gallery, and all you have to do is to select that picture that you want to send to someone. So tap this one right here, select picture from your album. Let's just say this one, and then tap this arrow send. And as you can see, you have your option to turn on this disappearing messages. You will see here information about this message. It will not stay longer. So I think you can only, or it's only valid for a few hours, or you will see the information here. It's 24 hours after any reaction. Now, for picture, or if you want to just view once, you just want a view once option. All you have to do is to picture or take a picture, and then you have your options right here, view once, tap on send. So once your friend or someone view this picture, that friend cannot longer view this picture again because you set this to view once. And basically, that's how easy it is to send disappearing photos on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.